In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cloud gaming is blocking captures on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This seems to be a very weird temporary bug or glitch. Thankfully, it is super simple to clear it up. So, when you see this thing or this error appear, it is usually because you are trying to take a capture. So, the main way of fixing this is to simply restart your console. I know that this can be annoying if you are in the middle of a gaming session, you don't want to stop gaming and so on, but one of the simplest ways is going to be to power cycle your console. So power it off, restart, and then see if the error still persists. If it is still happening, then what you can do is switch games. So let's say, for example, you are playing Fortnite, then all that you have to do is switch over to another game. Let's say Minecraft, and then see if the option works. Then, if it does, you can go back inside of the original game and try capturing the moment once more. So you press the Xbox button, use the Xbox guide, and then go into the capture function to see if it works now. If it does, then you will be able to start capturing on the original game. Now, if it is still showing you that error, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. This, like I said before in the beginning of the video, this is a very peculiar and weird glitch that happens periodically. Like I said before, try restarting the console, changing games, and as long as you change game and go back, the error should be cleared. If it is still happening, then there isn't much else to do. Press the guide button once more and see if it works. As you can see according to the description, what they have to say is that you should start a cloud game before attempting to capture game, clips, and screenshots. But this seems to happen on standalone games as well, even if you aren't using cloud gaming. So you can even try restarting your network to see if you can make this error go away or just give it some maintenance. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.